This EFIELD 50 pack of brass Pex Barb female sweat adapters is ideal for larger plumbing projects where consistency across many connections really matters. The fittings are made from dezincification-resistant brass, which helps them stand up well to corrosion in potable water systems over the long term. Each adapter is designed to sweat directly onto copper tube while providing a secure PEX barb on the other side, making copper to PEX transitions straightforward even in tight spaces. They work with common PEX connection methods, including stainless steel clamp and copper crimp ring systems, so they fit easily into existing tool setups on the job site or at home. The components are built to an established ASTM standard and carry relevant potable water safety certifications, giving extra confidence for use in domestic plumbing lines. Being supplied by a major PEX piping manufacturer, the set offers reliable machining quality and uniform dimensions that help reduce leaks and rework.